Hello friends, welcome to the WordPress for Beginners course. So in this course, you will learn how we can install WordPress and how we can create a website using WordPress. So I will show you all the things step by step in different videos. This is the first part. So in this complete playlist you will able to learn the entire web development from scratch to the advanced level. I said it's for beginners, I mean to say beginners can start because this is from scratch. This is also for the advanced users, but if they know something, they can revise. And if you are a new in web development, then you can start completely from scratch. So in this video, I will explain about the introduction. I will tell you about some things about the WordPress. So this video is about the introduction. So there is wordpress.com and wordpress.org. So what is wordpress.com? You can build a blog, you can build a website, build a movement, and in this website wordpress.com you can also create a blog without domain and hosting. You can start with free, best for getting started. So here you can make a blog, for example omer.wordpress.com. so your name, your business name and or business name, and then wordpress.com. so it will be subdomain. Let me tell you what is the difference between one is TLD. TLD is top level domain. Top level domain, for example learneasycode.com, and there is one more subdomain, for example learneasycode.wordpress.com. so this you can see this is your own domain, and here you can see you have a domain but with the WordPress, so that is called subdomain. So here you can create a free blog, or you can also use this one Blogger. Here you will pay $3 per month, and they will build yearly, and there are more options. So in wordpress.com you can start like this. And wordpress.org, so wordpress.org meet WordPress. WordPress is open source software you can use to create a beautiful website, blog or application. And there are almost 33% of the web users WordPress, from hobby blogs to the biggest news sites online. So we can also get WordPress from here. That will be different from wordpress.com. This WordPress will be like a software we can install in our computer, and then we can build a website that will be local website, and then we can transfer from local to remote server. So all things we will discuss one by one. So this is the difference between wordpress.com and wordpress.org. So in the next video we will install a software which will make our computer local server. Then we will install the WordPress. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel.